Use a 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch square notch trowel for the primary mortar application under large format tiles to establish consistent ridges and full coverage. When preparing mortar for large format tiles, start by checking the mortar bag for the manufacturer recommended trowel size and mix ratio because adhesives vary in viscosity. Spread a thin initial skim coat with the flat side of a 1/4 inch trowel to collapse any air and ensure full contact on the substrate. Flip to the notch side held at a 45-degree angle and pull the mortar in straight lines to create uniform ridges the height of the notch. Maintain a consistent speed and pressure so ridges are even across the bed. Butter large format tile backs only when the tile is warped or when the mortar manufacturer specifies back buttering to achieve 100% contact. After setting the tile, use a light twist and slight pressure to collapse about half the ridge height and check coverage by lifting one tile after a short time. You want at least 90% mortar transfer. Keep mortar open time, temperature, and substrate moisture in mind because cold or dry conditions can reduce bonding and require adjustments to working time and hydration. Common mistakes start with using a notched trowel that is too small, which leads to insufficient mortar transfer and hollow spots. So always match the trowel size to the mortar bag and perform transfer tests. Another issue is holding the trowel at the wrong angle, which creates uneven ridges and inconsistent bed height. Correct that by holding the trowel at 45 degrees and pulling in straight parallel strokes. A third frequent problem is skipping the initial flat skim coat and relying only on notches, which traps air and reduces contact. So first flatten a skim coat with the trowel face, then notch, and verify coverage by lifting a tile after bedding. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing professionals near you and showing project examples, so we help people find trade partners for large format tile work. We also help contractors find work and discuss techniques through our community discussion area where we share tips and ask questions.